Hey, what's up? It's your boy Jonathan here, and today we're going to talk about derivatives. Most people don't know how to solve derivative problems. If this is you, you're not alone. If you feel queasy, frustrated, or unsure of how to solve a derivative, then what I'm going to do today is walk you through a clear and simple way how to solve derivatives, whether it be polynomials, monomials, or simple equations. We're going to take 3 problems today and we're going to solve them and understand how the process of finding a derivative works. So I'm going to go to my pen and paper here at my table and we're going to hash these out. Let's do it. Okay, so we're going to take these 3 different equations, each one a little bit harder than the first, and we're going to find the derivatives. Let's start with the first equation up here, the 4x to the power of 3. Now, the simple steps to finding the derivative are you take your numerical coefficient, which is 4, you take your power, which is 3, and you times them together. So we're going to get 12. We're going to take our variable and bring it down, which is x, and we're going to decrease our power by 1, which is 2. And there we have it. There's our first derivative. Let's do it with these. Now, if this looks a little complicated, you can split it into 2 separate derivatives and then add them together. So we're going to take our numerical coefficient of half times 2, which is 1, bring our variable down, which is x, and decrease our power, which is 1. Okay? And now we're going to take this new equation, we're going to take the 7 times 1/3, which is 7 over 3, bring our variable down, and decrease our power by 1, which is negative 2/3, just like that. And there we have it. This can also be simplified to x, so we have an x plus 7 over 3 x to the negative 2/3. Now you can simplify this if you want. You can to make these fractions a little bit better, but let's move on. Now I'm going to speed through this one just really quickly, but basically you're going to have a 1/7 x to the negative 2/3, take away 14 x to the 6, plus you have a 36 over 5 x to the 11th. Again, you can simplify this, but that in essence is how you solve derivatives. You take your numerical coefficient, you times it by your power, bring your variable down, and decrease your power by 1. Alright guys, that just about wraps it up. I'm looking forward to this contest. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. If you learned something, let me know in the comments below. I love you guys. I think you're awesome, and I look forward to being part of this contest. Take care.